Hello everyone. In today's video, my advice is to start small. So when you first come up with the vision of a game, the idea of creating an entire game can seem very daunting. So my advice is when building something new, or if you have a new game idea, don't try to create it all at once. And don't think about creating it all at once. Start small, then slowly build on it. Start with the easiest part of your game or your vision, then slowly build on that. So let me give you an example. If you notice, inventions and civilizations grow in stages. Before we got to building skyscrapers, the invention of how to build huts and buildings had to be made. Before we got to building 3D games, we first had to invent codes and the computer. So when building a complex mechanic for your game, don't try to do it all at once. Focus on the simplest, easiest concept of your mechanic. Then after you have perfected that to your liking, slowly add more to it over the course of time until you bring your entire idea to life. Starting small when building your game will give you the freedom to change things in your game without affecting the entire game later on. That's it for this video. See you next time. Thanks. Bye. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and also check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links of the game can be found in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.